Alright, so right now I'm going to teach you the intro for Bring the Rain. I showed it to you today. We're starting on, this is middle C, so it's the one in the middle of the keyboard. So C, B, A, we're going to start on A. Okay, so this is the right hand that I'm showing you. I still haven't figured out a better way to record, so I'm still having to use my phone, so I still have to hold it. So I apologize, I can't show you both hands at the same time. But anyway, so here's A. So we're going A, B, C sharp, and then we're going down to D and F sharp. If you wanted to play the full D chord, because that's a D chord, D, F sharp, A is a D chord, but I just leave off that one when I play the song. Okay, the next part. Alright, this sounds a little wonky, but that's an F sharp and an E. So really kind of the chord you're playing here is a D2, if that makes sense. But you're just playing it here. So I play it with my thumb and my pinky, but if that's too hard for you, you can use your ring finger, or if you wanted to, you could just play it like that. That's the same thing, because you're still playing the F sharp. Or you could just play the D2. And I know I'm probably really confusing you. Just do it this way. It's easier. It gives you practice of stretching your fingers. So the first part goes. That's the intro for Bring the Rain. Now, when I'm playing this, I also want to tell you that my foot pedal I have pushed down when I'm playing, and then I take it off right here, but put it right back on. So, on, off, on. It's kind of weird using the foot pedal until you get used to it, but that's what the foot pedal is doing right there. So it's on, off, on, off, on. Got it? On, off, on, off, on. Okay, and then the next little part is just playing the chords. Sorry. A. It's your A chord. A, C sharp, E. A chord. I can count 1,000,000 times people asking me how I can praise you with all that I've gone through. So that's just going back and forth between A and D. And again, I'm playing that D chord the other way that I've I've taught you, but the A chord is the regular way. The question just amazes me. Could circumstances possibly change who I forever am in you? And then we're going to play the intro. Okay, now really quickly I want to show you what the left hand is doing in all of this. It's really simple. All it's doing is bouncing back and forth between A and D. And I just keep my fingers kind of like they would normally be placed on the piano. My thumb here, my pinky here, and then all the other fingers in between. But you're just playing your thumb and your pinky with the A and the D. So that's all there is to the left hand, really, until you get into the chorus, and we'll go over that in another video. So just practice that, and then practice just the verse. Pretty easy. All right, bye.